Our pets are just like any other member of the family, and when an emergency arises, we'll spend whatever it takes to make them better. ABC 2 News' Charlie Krausen explains why it's important to prepare before costly pet emergencies are needed.
Like many pet owners, Jennifer Dunlap considers her cat Siobhan part of the family. So when she came home from work to find something wrong with Siobhan, she knew she had to get help immediately.
She didn't come down like she normally does to eat, so I thought, well, something's up. And when I went upstairs, she was sitting in the middle of the room with her mouth open, seeming like she was having trouble breathing.
Dunlap's normal vet was closed that day, so she took her to an emergency vet care clinic.
They were very nice, and they took their time, and I didn't feel like they were treating me like, you know, geez, why'd you bring your cat in if it's not dying? So I really appreciated it.
In a recent survey by Angie's List, 63% of pet owners say they've had at least one medical emergency with their pet, and most spent between $250 and $1,000.
All too often what happens if there is a problem is that we panic and we go to the nearest place we can find that's open. Well, that's a bad idea.
Hicks recommends finding an emergency clinic that's open 24 hours before you need it. Keep a phone number handy along with one for your regular vet. And once you've found one, have your vet fax your pet records to that clinic and keep a copy for yourself. An ER trip for your pet can be expensive, so you may want to look into health insurance for them.
Also, some people have found it helpful to open a pet savings account. That way it takes the stress out of situations that come up.
And remember to get your pet in for routine checkups. Regular trips to the vet can help prevent costly emergency visits. Charlie Krausen, ABC 2 News.